First, we're going to start with steering wheel controls. This is your home screen. We're going to go to Apps, Car Settings. We're going to scroll down here and we want to go to Steering Learn. And then you can see all the presets that are on your steering wheel. So we're going to match these up with what's on our steering wheel. We're going to start with volume. Well, first, before you do that, let's go ahead and just clear it out. And then we're going to click on volume. And then I'm going to hold down the volume button on my steering wheel. And you can see right here, setup successful. And now I am going to program the volume down. Click that. And then hold it on my steering wheel. Setup successful. So now we have the volume set up. So I'm going to go through all these and get all the functions on my steering wheel set up, and then let's get into CarPlay. To set up CarPlay, we have two options. We can go with the wireless option or wired option. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go right here to Apps. We are going to scroll over to the last page right here where it says Z-Link. This is going to connect our phone. You're going to see it go through a connection process through Z-Link, and if you have it wired, it's going to automatically pop up and you can see all of our CarPlay options. If you want to connect with wireless, what you'll need to do is connect your Bluetooth. Make sure your Bluetooth is on your phone, and you're going to connect to CarBT. You want to be on this little icon right here, these two little chain links to link your phone. And if you're not able to get your Bluetooth to connect, it's possible that it's off. So if we go right here to this gear icon, we're going to click that and make sure your power is on. And you can see right here, the device name is CarBT, and it might ask you for a device pin. It's 4 zeros. So go ahead and type that in, get your Bluetooth connected. We're going to go back to the home button and we're going to click on Apps, and we're going to scroll back over to our Z-Link. And there's our wireless CarPlay. So we got our phone, we got text messages, we got music on here, podcasts. I have 3 different versions of maps. I got my Apple Maps, I got my Google Maps, I have Waze, WhatsApp, Spotify for music. Anything that's on your phone that's capable with CarPlay, it's going to pop up on here. And right here on this side, it's going to show you your last 3 used items. If you just want to keep it simple and use the radio, you can go back to your home button here. And we have a radio icon here, so you can listen to all your favorite radio stations. And also within Maps, you have Google Chrome, and then also you have Google Maps on here as well. If you want these functions to work, you're going to need to get a SIM card and get that installed to be able to use these functions. If not, use your CarPlay. It works just as good. To adjust the sound on your stereo, where you want to go is back to your apps, and we are looking for an app called DSP settings right here. And this is going to allow you to adjust your treble, your bass for front and back. And you have all these presets here with Dolby and SRS, so you can find the best setting of the sound quality that you like to use for your music. If you do want to use these functions in here like Maps, YouTube, Chrome, instead of getting a SIM card installed and purchasing that, what you can do is either connect to Wi-Fi or hotspot it from your phone. So to do that, we're going to go back and we're going to go to our apps, and we're going to go to car settings. And at the very top, you can see Wi-Fi. You can scan for all of the Wi-Fis that are in your area. And then right there, you can see me. This is connected to my iPhone. So I can go back, I can go into apps. And if I want to open YouTube, since it's a hotspot, it's not going to be super fast, but I can open up YouTube or Chrome or use Google Maps on there. If you're going to be using Maps, it's probably better to use CarPlay. It's a lot faster than it is to hotspot it from your phone. Well, I am really stoked the way that this install turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that the install was helpful with you installing your own. And make sure to subscribe to this channel. I got some really cool videos coming up. I built a really cool bunk bed inside of my son's room, and then also made a secret hideout in the attic. So make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can see when we post those videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.